Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. It's Nation here, and today I'm excited to bring you guys my curly hair routine since the big chop. So first of all, I just have to say that video is really taking off. I've gotten a lot of support and great comments. I've seen them. I'm trying to be good at responding to all of them, and I just thank you so much for your kind words and all of the support. I got my hair cut on February 1st. Today is February 23rd, and I have no regrets. So it hasn't been a month yet. I am going to do a 1 month update so that you guys can see that. But I have no regrets. I love my hair. I love how healthy my hair looks. My curls are like, y'all, look at my curls. What? Look. I'm pressed. Like, I just really wanted popping curls again. And so I'm so glad I cut my hair. I have zero regrets. So if you want to see how I get these curls, then keep on watching. Alright, so it's super early in the morning and it's time for a wash. My hair is looking tore up. It shocked me when I looked in the mirror, and man, it is time to bring these curls back to life. I had to scoot the hubby over. We have a double shower, so he was showering with me, and when he turned the shower on, he sprayed cold water on me. So that's why I did that. I don't know about you anymore. I don't know about you. Say I don't know about you no. But this is what I'm working with. So my hair is just in need of some refreshing. So I'm wetting my hair now, and then I'm gonna go in with a co-wash. And I haven't shampooed my hair since I got it cut. So the co-wash I have been using is the As I Am Coconut Co-Wash. I really have been enjoying this. It leaves my hair feeling moisturized, but it actually gets like all of the Eco Styler gel and all of the product out of it. So I'm just going to make sure that my hair is saturated, and then I'm scrubbing my scalp thoroughly, and I'm going to rinse it out and repeat again. So I do a total of 2 washes. This is what my hair is looking like after I co-washed it twice, and now it's time to deep condition. For deep conditioner, I'm using the Shea Moisture Jamaican Black Castor Oil Strengthen and Restore Mask, and I love the very thick consistency. And yeah, I dropped it. Josh was not going to let me hear the end of it. But I love the thick consistency, and it really moisturizes my hair. Sometimes I'll add olive oil to this deep conditioner, and I really love the results. This time I didn't, but I make sure that it's in there very well. And then I like to comb it through, and then I let it sit for 10 minutes under a plastic cap while I take my shower. I don't know about you anymore. After that sits for 10 minutes, I go ahead and rinse it out. All about being a savage, but you I was thinking marriage. This is the look after my hair is shampooed and deep conditioned, and now it's time to style. So my hair's been drying for a little bit because I did a little bit of makeup, so I'm going to refresh my hair with some water to get it wet again. And I just make sure that I really get the water all throughout there before I start to apply my product. To style, I have been using the Cream of Nature Coconut Milk Curl Quench Foaming Mousse, and I have really been loving this stuff. I'm very heavy-handed with the product. I'm not afraid to really put it all up in there because I feel like the more product, the more definition and shine that I get. So this is me just kind of making sure that I'm applying it everywhere and that every strand of hair is just saturated with the mousse. This mousse, it does give a crunch, especially with the amount that I use, but it doesn't leave my hair feeling dry. And throughout the week, I'll touch it up and like put some oil to kind of get rid of the crunchiness. And it's really been doing good for my hair when it comes to definition and shine. So that's really kind of why I'm liking the product. So now I'm going through with a Denman brush to help define the curls, and I spend a lot of time just making sure that every curl is perfectly defined and that the product is just evenly saturated throughout every single strand.
I swear that I can hop about these feelings. No, you ain't been single in a minute. But baby, if you wish it, I can grant it. I see you taking pictures with your whole girl. You say that nigga.
I just wanted to do a close-up to show you like how well my hair takes to this mousse. Like, it just loves it. And the Denman brush helps to give it so much more definition by clumping the curls. I just love it. Lastly, what I like to do is take Eco Styler gel, the olive oil kind, and just slick my edges down to give it a nice sleek look on the sides. Sometimes I just do one side. Today I decided to slick down both sides a little bit, but for the most part I just been slicking down one side.
I'm all about being a savage with you, I was thinking marriage. I'm all about being a savage with you, I was thinking marriage.
After I finish my edges, then I like to just go through and make sure that there's no pieces that need to be defined anymore. And if there are, I take a little bit more mousse and just make sure that everything is looking good, no little flyaways. And don't forget the back. Gotta make sure the back looks right too.
This thing that we got going on ain't been right.
So here's my hair up close, and you can see that the definition is there, and I am just in love with the curls. I've missed them so much, and I'm so glad that they're back. Now it's time to air dry.
Looking for a reason why we should stick it out. Might need to call it quits, there's nothing left to talk about.
So there you have it. This is the final result. I literally just finished my hair maybe an hour ago and it fully dried. So yeah, these are my results. I love it. It's working. It lasts me not that long. I have to retouch my hair every morning. If you want to see how I refresh it, let me know. But I have to refresh it every single day. I don't just wake up like this. So if you want to see a video on how I kind of preserve my edges, because I don't like to do those every day, but if you want to see how I preserve the edges and then how I refresh my curls, let me know. But yeah, thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and make sure to subscribe, like, comment your ideas, video suggestions for me, and hit that bell so you don't miss another video. And yeah, I love you guys. I can't wait to see you guys next time. Bye.